Hi, I'm Surush Amidi. I am the Director of Software Product Management at Eaton Lighting and responsible for TrelliX, our smart lighting IoT platform that we're introducing at this year's LIGHTFAIR. TrelliX platform enables IoT solutions that allow our customers to improve their operational efficiency, their occupants' experience, as well as obviously their energy and sustainability target. We achieve these IoT solutions by leveraging the data that is being collected by our wavelengths-enabled LED light fixtures, and then gathering that information through our wavelengths wireless area controllers into the TrelliX platform, and processing the data and exposing the aggregated information to our IoT partners, as well as to our own applications that resides on the TrelliX platform. Now, when you think about lighting, whether you are living at home or you're happily working in the office or working out in the gym or simply driving in the street, we're surrounded by light fixtures. And the sheer load of the density of the lights above our head, as well as the fact that the light luminaire needs to be powered, makes the luminaire the ideal infrastructure, trellis, to support our sensors. So once you have all these luminaires collecting the data, you simply cannot use the data as it is. Similar to oil, crude oil, that you cannot use it, you need to process it into diesel or gasoline. The data that we're collecting needs to be mindfully aggregated, and then the processed data can then be used for very useful IoT applications. Those applications could be applications such as spatialization or real-time location. Those are, at the end of the day, what our customers really care about, not the data, but the aggregated data. Now, let's use an example. I'm in a conference room. Above my head, there will be 6 luminaires. Each luminaire will have an occupancy sensor. Now, I can send those occupancy information from each of those sensors to the end user, but the data by itself is really not very meaningful. What we do is we aggregate the data, and then we'll tell the user if the conference room is occupied or not. Now, in IoT partners of ours, such as a company that can do conference booking or conference booking management, they can get that information. If the conference room is booked but not occupied, then they can debook it and make the conference room available. Similarly, if somebody is working in that conference room, perhaps sitting in just one side of the table, we'll detect it with one of those occupancy sensors. So now we know that that conference room is only occupied, 1/6 of that conference room is being occupied. So then we turn that into occupancy usage percentage, that we again provide that information to an IoT partner, and then they will provide that information to their end users, and the end user can understand how their spaces are being used. One of the things that we've heard loud and clear from our customers is that they wanted to own their data, and they wanted to store the big data on their own IoT platform. So our TrelliX platform is an on-premise solution. So our TrelliX Core is the name for our hardware platform. It's an on-premise solution. The TrelliX Core Pro is designed for smaller buildings, smaller spaces with up to 20 wireless area controllers. We've got TrelliX Enterprise, which is designed for multiple buildings, campuses, that supports up to 500 area controllers. And then we have a virtual TrelliX Enterprise solution that allows our customers to host the TrelliX platform on their own private cloud. This allows our customers to host the TrelliX virtual image on their Amazon cloud or on their Azure cloud. So in addition to aggregate data that we're collecting, the TrelliX platform also hosts our own applications. And this year we're showcasing 2 of our applications. We have TrelliX Lighting, which is your traditional enterprise management software for lighting, as well as TrelliX Admin, which is the application that you would use to manage your platform. So let's jump into the TrelliX Admin application. The TrelliX Admin allows the user to be able to see all their alarms from all their applications. They can manage the system, meaning that they can do backup and restore, they can do software upgrades, they can enable the various interfaces that we support on the platform, backend IP, and RESTful API. They can also manage their users by adding new users, editing users, as well as manage user roles. And most importantly, if you're dealing with a multi-tenant building, you can specify the area of responsibility for a specific user. So the second application is TrelliX Lighting, and you use it to manage your system, meaning that you can monitor it, you can see if the health of every single device, and you get real-time alarms, as well as troubleshooting tips that are available for each alarm. You can operate the areas, zones, and each device, a part of the system, by selecting the area and sending manual actions. You can also view the location of each fixtures as well as areas and zones on a floor plan, and you can filter based on the view depending on what your needs are. You have an energy dashboard that allows you to see your energy consumption for the building, that you can filter based on the energy source as well as the building hierarchy, as well as you can look at different time ranges. This lighting app also allows you to build your system, so you can add new buildings, you can add new floors, you can create new areas and zones, as well as you can associate a floor plan for each floor configured in the system. The scheduling module allows the facility manager to create schedules and with different events built into them. We support all the recurrences that you need for a traditional commercial building. We have once, weekly, monthly, and yearly. And finally, it allows the applications also allows the user to see all the devices that are connected to the area controllers, and all the area controllers connected to the TrelliX core platform. To learn more about TrelliX, please visit trellixconnect.com.